What do you think of when you think of church? Probably a building, maybe pews, stained glass, maybe free coffee and donuts? Here's the thing, church is not any of those things. Church is a people, a group of people who are passionate about following Jesus with everything inside of us. And that passion propels us to action. That's why we care for the poor and the homeless through local outreaches. We pick up and go when disaster hits to give help and hope to those in need, and we fight for freedom for people all over the world. With over 300,000 churches in America and 5 million in the world, the local church is able to do what no other group of people have ever been able to accomplish. Consider the church's influence on culture. So much of the world's art and architecture and literature and music has been and continues to be shaped by the local church. In 369 AD, the church built the first hospital and is still the largest provider of healthcare in history. The church was the first to stand up for the rights of children and created the largest orphanage system in the world. In a world where depression and loneliness run rampant, the church swings open its doors to provide rest for the weary. All of this comes out of the church's passion to show up with the same creativity, grace, and forgiveness that Christ showed us. And that's what it means to be the church. Maybe you'd say, all this sounds great, but it's not really my scene. I didn't grow up in church, it's never been a big part of my life. Well, here's the thing, you're here. And maybe you're here because you have found yourself in a place you never thought you would be. Maybe you're feeling alone, just exhausted. We've all experienced the pain of a broken heart, the loss of a family member or a friend. Maybe you'd say, I was just looking for a momentary escape from life. Or, I just didn't know where else to turn. Whatever the reason, let me just say, in this moment, you're home. So whether you're joined up with a group of people in a home church, you're in a small country church, you're in a new millennium kind of place with big screens and lights, or you're watching online, whatever it is, lean in, pull up a seat, and know that this is a place for you to find purpose. A place for you to find community, to find a family. This is a place for you to belong. Welcome to church.